everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm showing you guys the ad preview that is coming out this Sunday. It is only going to be the April P&G, so just be prepared. Sometimes a lot of you guys pass on the P&G coupons and some of you guys do not, but I'm here to share with you guys what is coming in the ad, or what is coming in the P&G. Now please remember, I found this on the website. I searched and searched, and I finally found a website that has it. The Couponing Couple, I've actually followed these guys. They always do early ads and early coupon inserts, so you guys can check them out. But here is the April P&G. We'll have to move it a little bit, but there's a little girl drinking some water. Can you tell CoverGirl's like an axe? Yeah. Okay, so now with some coupons, hopefully. More of wasted pages. So let's see. Okay, so here we got a $2 off. Now I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Here we got a $2 off one Swiffer starter kit, $2 off one Swiffer refill, 50 cents off of Mr. Clean, and $1 off of Mr. Clean liquid. So there's that. Now we also have $1 off of Tide, $2 off of Tide detergent, $3 off of one Tide Pods. That's a great coupon. I never get these coupons, but some of you guys might get them and some of you might not. And then there is $4 off of 2 for Downy and Bounce or Unstoppables of the thing. More ads. Look at that. Okay, so we have $1 off of Bounty paper towels, $1 off of Charmin, 50 cents off the basic Bounty brand, and then 50 cents off of Puffs. I love this coupon. This is my favorite coupon. 50 cents off of Puffs tissues. Here we have a buy one Febreze, one sprayer mist, and get one Febreze refill for free. I have yet to get something like that, but I'm gonna try that. Fixodent Ultra, they changed the packaging or something on that, so $1.50 off of that. Dentures. We got $6 off of 2 Prilosec, $3 off of 2 Vicks, $1 off of Metamucil, and $1 off of ZzzQuil. I'm just showing you guys. Mostly everybody will get the same coupons, pretty much. $5 off of Crest 3D, $1 off of mouthwash, which I think is a great coupon. $2 off of Oral-B battery-operated toothbrushes, and then $1 off of the Oral-B doesn't say excludes. I know there is a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta for toothbrushes on Oral-B. So, I'm going to have to check that out. Okay, here we got $3 off of 2 Tampax, $3 off of 2 Always, and 50 cents off of Always pads, and then 50 cents off of Always liners. So, okay. Sorry if I'm going too fast for you guys. You guys can check this out. Just go to the Couponing Couple and you'll be able to see it. Here we got $1 off of Crest toothpaste, $2 off of Always Discreet, and $2 off another Always Discreet. So there's that. Here we got a buy one get one free shampoo and conditioner of the foam Pantene. We got $4 off of 2 of the Macular. I can't even say that word correctly all of a sudden. $5 off of 3 Pantene Pro V products. Why do I keep saying Pro V? I have no idea. Oh, it is technically Pro V, it says. And then $1 off the $1.50 off the 3-minute Miracle treatment. Here we have $4 off of 2 Herbal Essence, and then $4 off of 2 Head and Shoulders. That's one thing I haven't gotten a lot of is Head and Shoulders lately. $2 off of 1 bar soap and body wash. That is a great coupon. I love that. I haven't seen a $2 off coupon. $3 off of 2 Pampers Easy Ups, and then $1 off the swim diapers. So, yeah. $3 off of 2 Pampers, 50 cents off of wipes, and $1.50 off of Loves. We're almost done, you guys. Almost done. $3 off of Gillette Venus razors. $3 off a different type of regular razors. $2 off the Gillette razors. And then $1 off the shaving cream. So a lot of the P&Gs are always usually the same. $1 off a Secret. I know there is a deal going on with Ibotta, I think, for the Secret deodorant. $1 off of the clinical stuff. $1 off of Old Spice body wash or bar soap. And then $1 off the 2-in-1 styling products. So there's that. Here we got Olay Whips for $2 off and $1 off. And then I think this is the last page, and that is it. So that was the P&G preview that we are getting this Sunday, Easter Sunday. So it depends on if you guys really want to get them or not. But if you guys enjoyed something like this, please give it a thumbs up so I know you guys can see it. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.